How to group clips on Capcut online. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to group layers in Capcut PC online. So after you open the Capcut online on your PC, so go to capcut.com. So from this option now, if you want to group clips or videos, so now here is the videos on my timeline. So let's say if I want to group this video and this one. So the first thing to do for the Capcut PC application desktop side, you just go to highlight for the desktop. If you highlight them, so from there for the desktop, if you right click on it, it will give you option where it says compound clip. So as you can see now, after I highlight all of them and I go to right click, there is no option for the compound clip for me to group the clips on the Capcut online. So I think for the Capcut online, you cannot like group clips on the Capcut online because it automatically just make your clip attach. As you can see now, if I drag this one to this side, as you can see now, it will just be attached. All you need to do, just if you don't want to get any gap between the clips, you just go to this option now and turn on this. After you turn on this attach, so as you can see now here it says turn on attach. After you turn on this, so whenever now you add a clip, it will just be attached to this set to the first one before it goes go to the second one. So as you can see, like this one now, if I drag this clip to this side, it will not just be at the side because it has been attached. If you don't want, like if you want to remove the clip to other side, you have to turn off this and then you take it to the side that you want to add it. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.